Hello everyone, this is King of Review, and we're going to be doing a subtraction problem. So as always, let's write down the equation. Now one thing to notice is everything is not in order now. So this is basically trying to trick you. So getting it in order is the first step to solving this question. So we're going to write down the x to the fifth first, but then we realize, oh, I don't have any x to the fourth in this equation, so just 0 x to the fourth, and then 3x cubed minus 4x squared, and then we don't have anything for our x, and plus 8. What about this part? Well, we have a 5x cubed, 5x to the fifth. We don't have anything for our x to the fourth, and then we don't have anything for our x cubed, and then a 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. And we're going to be subtracting this. Subtraction. So if we do 2x to the fifth minus a 5x to the fifth, that's going to be a negative 3x to the fifth. And then 0 minus 0 is going to be 0. And 3x to the third minus a 0, so that's going to be still 3x to the third. And then a negative 4x squared minus a negative 4x squared, so that's going to be negative 8x squared. And then 0 minus a negative 2. Okay, so be careful with these. 0 minus a negative 2, that means that you're going to be adding the 2x, so that's going to be 2x. And then 8 minus 1 is 7. So our answer to this question is going to be negative 3x to the fifth plus 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 2x plus 7. There we go. So this is our answer. So that means that option B is our answer. Well, let's look at our other options. Option A says positive 3x to the fifth. Well, we did 2x to the fifth minus the 5x to the fifth, not the other way around. So that's why this has to be negative. This is wrong. What about C? Well, we're missing x squared, aren't we? Well, we had the negative 4x squared and a 4x squared, so it looks like you're going to add up to 0, but we're actually subtracting. So that's why we have to have the negative 8x squared. That's why C is wrong. What about D? D says positive 8x squared. Well, we do have the negative 4x squared and the positive 4x squared, but we're subtracting that, so that's why I have to end up with a negative. And that's why this is wrong. And therefore, the answer for this question is going to be B.